Is your vehicle giving you constant trouble? You might have a lemon on your hands. Let's walk through the steps to file a Texas lemon law claim. First, identify the defect in your vehicle. It must be a substantial manufacturing defect that impairs the vehicle's use, value, or safety, and is covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Next, report the defect to the dealer or manufacturer within the warranty period. Make sure to document all repair attempts and communications. The Texas lemon law requires a reasonable number of repair attempts. Typically, this means 4 or more attempts for the same issue, with the first 2 repairs occurring within the first 12 months, or 12,000 miles, and the last 2 within the next 12 months, or 12,000 miles. If the defect poses a serious safety hazard, only 2 repair attempts are needed. Send a written notice to the manufacturer, preferably by certified mail, detailing the defect and repair attempts. This gives the manufacturer one last opportunity to fix the issue. If the defect persists, you can file a lemon law claim. Gather all necessary documentation, including repair orders, purchase contracts, and any correspondence with the dealer or manufacturer. The lemon law experts have been successfully helping consumers get refunds and cash compensation for their defective vehicles since 2009. We understand the complexities of lemon law claims and can guide you through the process to ensure you get the compensation you deserve. If you think your vehicle might be a lemon, don't wait. Contact the lemon law experts for assistance. We can help you navigate the process and ensure you get the justice you deserve. Call us at 877-721-4716 today.